bitch. It is what it is, there's some 5-star dick. She a big old freak, it's a must.
I guess I'm making eggs for Ezra this morning. It's 10 in the morning, so I think I'm gonna cook some eggs for him, make up like 1 or 2, and then just get ready for the day, get up and shower and stuff like that. So it's raining and it's also fixing to get cold, so I think I'm gonna just do this and then I'm gonna go take a shower once he finishes eating. Alright, bye. Well, finally took a shower, so I guess we're just chilling, watching Paw Patrol on TV. I don't know what we're gonna be doing. I'm waiting for my friend. Her and her kids are supposed to be coming after lunch. So with that being said, we're just chilling. And the kids get off of school early today, so they should be getting home any moment. So yeah. Hey y'all, so I didn't have nothing planned for today. I just ended up straightening my hair because I was bored. And then I changed my t-shirt into a sweater because it's really cold. My friend Kendra came over. We hung out, we chilled and talked. That's about it. So right now, I just got done doing my hair. So I'm gonna probably do my eyebrows today or tomorrow because they need to be touched up. But other than that, I'm not doing nothing. So, bye.
Are you done?
Boo-boo.
You not a boo-boo.
Boo-boo.
Look, this is what I've been dealing with, y'all. I'm gonna beat you up, not a boo-boo. Okay? I'm gonna get up. You better not. I whoop your butt. I said no.
Okay. Wow, boo-boo.
Okay, I'm gonna bite you. Come here, let me bite you. Come here. Come here. Come here. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Show him how bad you are, not a boo-boo. You not a boo-boo, punk. Booty. Tinky booty. Uh-huh. I swear, y'all, my nephew is bad. Are you done? Come here and bite you. I'll bite you. I'll bite you again. Come here. Come here. Come here. Try to hit me. Come here. Come on, Felicia. Come on, Boo Cheek. Got you. Got you. Hey, got you. Hey, got you. Got you. Say bye, Boo Cheek.